El Yunque National Forest, located in northeastern Puerto Rico, is the only tropical rainforest in the U.S. National Forest System. It is a biological powerhouse, home to hundreds of unique plants and animal species, including the endangered Puerto Rican parrot and the famous coquí frog. Climb the Yunque Tower or Mount Britton Tower for views stretching to the Atlantic Ocean and Caribbean Sea. Visit Coca Falls, visible right from the road, or hike to natural pools for a swim. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, and most importantly, hit that follow. Thanks for watching.
Puerto Rico.